Based on the color break, I'd say these are ready within the week.
I agree. The humidity has sped things up slightly.
Let's schedule the crew for Thursday.
Watch the weight on this side. Okay, it's centered now. Get the ropes.
We should arrive before the rain starts.
Let's hope so. This is a heavy one.
Bring it over to the pad now. Clear the area, keep it steady. Clear the area, keep it steady.
Is stable at 35 degrees Celsius.
Good. We should increase the enzyme flow rate by 5% now.
Agreed. I'll adjust the parameters.
Let's try to center it as we lift.
All right. right, lifting now. Seems balanced?
Perfect fit. Let's get the next one.
Quality is excellent on this batch. No imperfections found.
I've already done 10 of these. How about you?
You're fast, but I'm faster. We'll hit the target easily today.
Keep it up, guys. Looking good. Watch your left, bring it in tight. Ah! Almost there. We got 3 more for the Americas. Read 'em and weep, guys. Full house.
Oh, come on. You always get lucky.
I'm definitely winning the next round.
The ventilation on this new line is superb, isn't it? Absolutely. It makes the afternoon shift so much easier.
I still can't believe he missed that call. It was a clear foul. Check this out. Look at his face when they showed the replay. That is hilarious. He is absolutely furious.
I'm proud of what we've accomplished here. The environmental impact alone is significant.
Absolutely. It's rewarding to know our work helps protect.
Tan ca rồi. Tối nay đi đâu chơi không Lan?
Tôi về nấu cơm. Hẹn gặp lại ngày mai nha Minh.
Tạm biệt mọi người.
Morning, Tom. Hey, Sarah. Ready for today?
Let's do this. Hey, look at these new jerseys. Banana fiber, huh?
They look really breathable, much better than our uniforms.
I wonder how much they cost.
Look how great they turned out. The banana fiber looks amazing in the light.
We did that. I sewed that one.
I sewed that one.
Wow, that shot looks amazing.
The lighting is perfect.
We look great, and the display pops.
I made this. I made this.
Welcome, everyone. We are so thrilled to have the banana fiber collection here. Yeah?
Look at that, it turned out amazing. I can't believe it's finally on the shelves.
That's the one, dude.
You look incredible.
I know, right? It's actually perfect.
This is the one. Oh, yeah, this is the one. I know, right? Looking good.
That will be $62.50.
I'm really proud of this one. The cooling technology is top notch.
It looks fantastic. Check this out, the new banana fiber jersey. Wow, it looks even better in person. I know, I'm so proud of our team.
Wow. I'm really sweating, but the fabric feels incredibly cool and light. It breathes really well.
That's our fabric. That's our fabric.
As you can feel here, the banana fiber provides exceptional breathability and cooling.
And is it fully sustainable?
Absolutely, sourced from sustainable farms in Southeast Asia.
Confirmed lift on the USA fiber container, moving to position 3. All clear on the starboard side.
Bring it down easy now. Watch the alignment. Roger. Roger that. Coming down.
Now on shelves across the globe, the cooling power of banana fiber sportswear is expanding internationally.
This is the best way to start the day.
I agree, the sunrise is beautiful. Are we ready for the shift?
Up and over. 1, 2. Keep breathing. 3, 4. And reach for the sky. Hold it right there.
This banana fiber is incredibly soft.
Yes, and it breathes so well. Perfect for running. See, I told you the banana shirts would help with the heat.
I know, I actually feel cool. I might even keep up for another mile.
Yeah, let's go.